Hello. Welcome all. This is our lecture 11 for the subject law for engineers. And the topic of today, Supreme Court and High Court. In this lecture, we will discuss the Supreme Court of India and the High Courts of the different states as well. So let's start on the today's lecture. First of all, we will start with the Supreme Court of India. The Supreme Court of India is the premier judicial court under the Constitution of India. It is the highest constitutional court and has the power of judicial review. The Supreme Court has the power of judicial review. It means it can review any verdict passed by any high court or any lower court by in any state, consisting of the Chief Justice of India, and it has a maximum capacity of 34 judges. 34 judges capacity is there, including the Chief Justice of India, including CJI also. It means, except CJI, there are 33 members, 33 judges. It has extensive power in the form of original, appellate, and advisory jurisdiction. And the Supreme Court is the institution which is called like as the guardian of human rights or any other law. Okay. At present, there are 32 members, 32 judges in the Supreme Court. And it safeguards fundamental rights of citizens, as we have discussed, and settle disputes between various government authorities as well as central government versus state government and all such issues which some arise, and a mediatory or a third party should be there to resolve that conflict between states, between countries, or between government to government. Okay. So this work is done by the Supreme Court of India. Protection of human rights, it is necessity for the development and growth of an individual personality, which ultimately contributes in the development of the nation as a whole. It is an internationally recognized issue, and various international instruments have been established for the protection of human rights. So the Supreme Court of India is the guardian to all kind of human rights and fundamental rights. The concept of human rights is done is we have discussed about human rights in the previous videos. We can cover this topic from there. High Court. High Court of India, it means there are many states in India which have High Court there, and some have not. As like our Union Territory, UPs we have, and there are only, at present there are only 2 UPs which have their own High Court. First one is Delhi, and the second UP is like Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. These have its own high courts. High courts are the principal civil courts of original jurisdiction in each state and union territory. However, a high court exercises its original civil and criminal jurisdiction only if the subordinate courts are not authorized by the law. It means there is a hierarchy of courts in India as well. Like there are civil courts, there are courts at the district level, at the high court level, and the Supreme Court. If there is any conflict in the verdict of any court, then the verdict of Supreme Court will be valid. Here I want to clear this thing. You can, I will not mention this in the PPT. You can write down this thing that there are 25 high courts in India in numbers. 25. Basically, the work of most high courts primarily consists of appeals from lower courts and which petitions in terms of Article 226 of the Constitution. Judges in a high court are appointed by the President of India in consultation with the Chief Justice of India and the Governor of the state. High courts are headed by Chief Justice. And like in Supreme Court, these are headed by the Supreme Court. There are some other topics to know. I have told you that there are 25 high courts in India, and out of 25, 6 having control over more than one state or UT. It means 6 high courts are there, such as which has jurisdiction over one or more state or UT. This is the, as I told you, that Delhi was the only UT in India which has its own high court, and now as Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh are also the UTs, then Jammu Kashmir has its own high court. So at present there are 2. If Jammu Kashmir will be a full-fledged state, then there will be only one UT which has its own high court and Delhi. Here I want to give one more fact that at present, today, August 2023, there are 32 judges, including Chief Justice in Supreme Court, and there are maximum 34 still. And the retirement age of the Supreme Court judges is 65. It means the judges of the Supreme Court retire at the age of 65. Now, I will also discuss about some high courts which jurisdiction over UTs, as Delhi High Court, Bombay High Court. It covers Goa, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, and Daman and Diu, and Maharashtra as well. And the Kolkata High Court covers Andaman and Nicobar and West Bengal as well. And Guwahati High Court has Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Mizoram, Nagaland. It has jurisdiction over these 4 states. And Jammu Kashmir High Court has jurisdiction over Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. And Kerala High Court control over the Kerala and Lakshadweep. And the Madras High Court will cover the state of Tamil Nadu and the Puducherry. And as you all know, the Chandigarh High Court, Punjab and Haryana High Court is called as well. It has jurisdiction over Chandigarh is UT, and Haryana and Punjab. So these were some high courts which have jurisdiction over more than one state and UT. Okay, and in all high courts, the High Court of Uttar Pradesh has the maximum number of judges. It is around 160 judges. There is no other high court in the India which has such a large number of judges that there. So this is all done in this lecture. Prepare your good quality notes and be in learning model.